How to market your business for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be going over some tips and tricks on how to market your business absolutely for free. So let's get into it. Now, the first step to establishing your business or to marketing your business is definitely one of the simplest, and it is to create a Google business profile. Now, there are so many businesses out there that have like a physical location or whatever your business might be about. You most definitely should create a Google business profile. The reason for that is that if you have a physical store or a physical service or provide, you can add the geographical location and then people can search for that. And I have a detailed video on how to create a Google business listing. So check out the detailed videos on all of these simple marketing techniques that we also have on our channel. Now, the first step is to create a Google business profile. The second step, you might have heard of it a lot, is email marketing. Now, for email marketing, there is one thing I must tell all of you. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to get more people interested in your business. So email marketing is still very effective. It is still a very relevant method of marketing your business. However, email marketing should not be pushy. It should not be focused on you. Instead, let's say that you are providing a service. Let's say you provide a SEO optimization service. Instead of being like, hey, we provide SEO optimization, please hire us, please hire us. No, that is not the kind of email you want to write. You want to go on pages and you want to find like a website that you might want to work with. And then you can be like, hey, I saw your website. It has this issue in SEO and I could help you out in fixing them. Or these are just some simple tips to fix those SEOs. And if you want to, optimize your website further, then please contact us. So this is the way to do email marketing now. Make sure it's very, very tailored to the specific person that you are marketing to. Now, the next tip that I have for free marketing is Reddit and Quora. Now, you might be wondering, hey, what does marketing have anything to do with a platform like Reddit or Quora? Well, a lot of the times people are asking questions on Reddit and Quora. These are simple queries like, hey, what do I do? Or, I messed up this part of my car, or I don't know how to fix this. And, people are asking very simple questions on Quora and Reddit. And whatever business that you might be in, if you provide any kind of solution, if you have like a solution article on your website, then you can simply link your article in the replies of Quora or Reddit, and this is going to get your business more views and more leads. So this is another simple way that you can increase the number of people visiting your website or visiting your YouTube channel or e-commerce store. Now, other than this, it's very essential that you build a LinkedIn profile. So you can see over here, LinkedIn is super essential for any business. You want to make sure that your LinkedIn profile has all of your relevant information, as well as updated information, your business contacts, and the people that you are working with. Then here come the most essential things of any business nowadays, and that is social media marketing. So social media marketing is very essential. You must have a business profile for all of the popular social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and so on. So these top 4 platforms are super essential. If you go on Instagram, make sure to create a Instagram profile. Make sure to add, relevant pictures. Make sure that you are adding the kind of content that Instagram is automatically going to promote. So currently, let's take a look at the current promotions of Instagram. Instagram is currently promoting Reels. So create reel content for your business, and you can easily do that even if you're someone that is not very skilled and you don't want to maybe shoot a live video. Then you can go on to a platform like Canva or Vecteezy, which is a royalty-free video platform or content platform. So you can go on to a platform like Vecteezy and you can search for videos over here, or you can just simply take an image of your business and then put on some music in the background using Instagram, and you can upload it as a reel, and that will be more optimized content for Instagram, and Instagram is going to push it further. So in that way, you will get free marketing on Instagram. And you also should check out TikTok. TikTok is super popular. TikTok gets so many different views, and it's so easy to create TikTok videos for your business. You can easily create, simple videos, or, you can create simple animations, or even just take some royalty-free videos that you find on Vecteezy. Let's say that my business is about style. So what I would do on Vecteezy is I would search for blazer. And this simple video of this guy, fixing his blazer, I would download this and I would be like, 2 tips on how to style, or, how to make sure your coat fits properly, or, any kind of title you want to input. You can just input those kinds of title and upload them on TikTok and Instagram. So these 2 are super essential and free marketing. You get a lot of viewership and a lot of leads on these 2 platforms. Now, moving on to our next way to promote your business for free is podcasts. So you might be saying, okay, I don't know how to go on podcasts, or how do I go on a podcast? Well, instead of reaching out directly to any of the podcast creators that you might know, rather than that, because podcast creators are filtered, or, they're littered with people trying to guest on their podcast. Whatever your business is about, when you are an expert in that field, you know a lot about that field, then you can guest on any podcast and talk about that, and that audience will take you as the expert in that field, and they will be far more likely to value your opinion. But for that, you can use a platform like podcastguests.com or matchmaker.fm. And these 2 platforms connect podcasters and guests, so you can actually find different podcasts that are looking for guests instead of just randomly contacting people. This is going to be a easier method for you to find the perfect, fit for your professional services or your business, whatever podcast resonates with your business, and you can promote your business over there. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with marketing your business for free. I'm pretty sure if you're going to use all of these techniques together, you will easily be able to market your business to a wider audience and get your business out there. Make sure that you are updating as you go. You don't want to, keep on sending the same kind of email, or keep on replying to the same kind of Reddit or Quora inquiries over and over again. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.